The first real images of Huawei's upcoming Mate 80 series have finally appeared online, showing what the brand's next flagship phones will look like. These leaks reveal some major design changes, especially for the Pro models, which are expected to come with a new and more premium camera setup from the leaked photos. The Mate 80 Pro has a completely redesigned circular camera module. Unlike the square layout seen in the Mate 70 series, this one features a triangular camera arrangement inside a round frame. It looks more modern and stylish, showing that Huawei wants to mix bold design with top-quality hardware. The three cameras are placed in a triangle pattern. The top one is believed to be a periscope zoom lens for long-distance shots. The two lenses below it are likely the main and ultra-wide cameras. On both sides of the camera island, you can see dual LED flashes and an extra sensor. While its function isn't confirmed, it might be a color or light sensor that helps capture more accurate photos. A shiny metallic ring surrounds the whole camera setup, giving the phone a more polished and luxurious look. It's clear Huawei wants the Mate 80 Pro to stand out and feel premium. Compared to the boxy design of the Mate 70 Pro, this new setup looks cleaner and might even allow for upgraded lenses and better image quality. The leaked photos also show two color options so far, a bright yellow and a classic black. These colors make the phone look bold and modern, but Huawei will probably introduce more color options when it officially launches the lineup. Apart from the new camera design, the rest of the Mate 80 Pro looks similar to the previous model, keeping the smooth curved edges and elegant back finish that Huawei phones are known for. Another image hints that the regular Mate 80 could have a slightly different rear design, which means the new triangular camera layout might only be available on the Pro and Pro Plus versions. This would help Huawei make a clear difference between its standard and premium models inside. The Mate 80 lineup is rumored to include three main versions: the Mate 80, Mate 80 Pro, and Mate 80 Pro Plus. There may also be a special Mate 80 RS edition with a titanium frame and a stronger dual-layer OLED display for extra protection and better picture quality. Reports say the phones will be powered by Huawei's newest Kirin chip, which should bring better performance and efficiency. Fast charging is also expected, possibly up to 1,000, allowing the Mate 80 Pro to fully charge in a very short time. Some rumors even mention a built-in cooling fan in one of the models to keep the device cool during gaming or heavy use, something rarely seen in smartphones. If these leaks are accurate, the Mate 80 series could be one of Huawei's biggest upgrades since the Mate 40 lineup. The new design and powerful hardware help Huawei compete strongly in the Chinese market again. However, there's one drawback for users outside China. Like past Mate phones, the Mate 80 series likely won't include US-made components or support Android apps with Google services. Huawei's phones continue to run on Harmonios, which means no access to the Google Play Store or popular Western apps. Because of that, international users might not find the phone as appealing, no matter how good the design or performance is. But for Huawei fans, especially in China, the Mate 80 series still looks very exciting. The mix of a new camera design, next-generation Kirin power, and advanced imaging technology could make it a strong competitor in the local flagship market. The timing of the launch will be very important. The Mate 80 series will go up against tough rivals like the OnePlus 15 and Xiaomi 16 series, both of which already offer great cameras, displays, and performance. To attract buyers, Huawei needs to provide real improvements and standout features, not just a stylish look. In the end, these leaks show that Huawei isn't playing it safe. The Mate 80 Pro's new design, premium materials, and expected high-end specs prove that Huawei still aims to lead with innovation and style. Once the phones are officially released, it will be interesting to see if the Mate 80 series can truly shine in such a competitive smartphone market.